and we come to rededicate this place in service to God and to the educational mission of this great university.
This sacred space calls us to proclaim and to celebrate inquiry and discovery, and the longer I teach, the more I am convinced that learning is a form of awe.
It's been such a pleasure and a joy getting to see more and more people come to these different events and these different things happening downstairs.
May many more generations of students be blessed by God's grace and love in this chapel.
This is an extraordinary place that brings a sense of calm, a sense of humility, and yet a sense of excitement of what happens here.
For 50 years now, it has stood as an icon on our campus and in our community. Its cross rising 151 feet overhead, and I am convinced that it is a space that will be used and cherished for years and years to come. It is in testament to the women and men of faith who founded our university, to the church that has been our unwavering partner for these past 114 years, and to the commitment that Oklahoma City University still holds to the ideals upon which we were built.